Hi, I just want you to tell me how the dog can go there. She can jump from down to there. The chair you can see is very much apart. I'll show you. Look, very much apart. She couldn't come from there to there. And if she did, I wonder how. Look the gap. Look the gap from the chair to the window, because I push the chair very far so that she can't go near the window. If she jump from there to there, okay, look where she is. She can't even be able to jump down. She's very much stressed. I don't know what's happened there, but I'm gonna find out. She's very, very stressed. This is great news. And you can see. Now from there, she can't jump down because that's the heating. Nowhere she could jump from down to there. Second, there she normally go, but only when the chair is near. But look the chair, how the gap is. She couldn't, if she jumped from the chair to there, how, I don't know. Yeah. It's not very good. Can you see the gap? Look the chair, how I push so that she can't go near the window. And look now, that gap to there. Again, look where she is.